All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, well, if you have a trade, you always have a job. All right, so what inspired this video is Scanner Danner. If you haven't watched it, he did a video upload of how he got started in this industry. And I'll link it up here or up there, whichever way it goes. I've heard the story before, but it bears repeating. He talked about, getting into this industry, how he wound up in there, pothead to, diagnostic guru of YouTube. Pretty cool. But one of the points he brought up in that story is, the fact is, if you're trained in a trade, regardless of whether or not it's auto repair, industrial, diesel, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, whatever it is, you can always find a job. There's always an opportunity out there. This is not so much about automotive repair as we need tradespeople. We need people to get into all the trades. Now, a lot of people will complain about, well, you make money, but I don't. There's better jobs out there. Trust me, there is better jobs out there. Now, you may not make over $100,000 a year in your area, but there's always somewhere else that is better. And that's the thing. When it comes to having a skill, a trade, there's somebody that's willing to pay for you. And that's the beauty of learning a trade, is you go out there, you have a skill that no one can take away from you. And it's yours. As long as you, in automotive, stay up to date, there's always a job out there. There's always another shop to go work at. So there's always opportunities in this industry. In trades in general, we need more tradespeople. We do. Take it as inspiration whether or not you go in auto repair or a different trade, but keep in mind, once you learn that skill, you can always find a job. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.